In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front inner fender liners on a Nissan Maxima. They are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Now let's go ahead and remove our front wheel using a 21mm socket. Now that my wheel is off, we're going to locate these 3 Phillips head screws on the back portion of the fender liner. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Now underneath this, we're going to locate one push pin clip. I'm going to go ahead and remove it using a trim tool. I'll pull it off and set it aside. We're going to locate one more behind it and remove it as well. Now I'm going to locate 5 more push pin clips along the side of the fender liner and remove them as well. Now we're going to locate 2 more on the top end. Now I'm going to locate 3 more clips on the front side. It'd be 4, but this one's already missing. It'd be 4, but again, this one is missing. I'm going to locate these 2 Phillips head screws and remove them. I'm going to locate 5 more Phillips head screws on the bottom side of the front bumper. Remove these as well. I'm going to locate my last push pin clip, which is on the top corner of the splash shield, and remove it. Now let's remove our fender liner. I'm going to pull away from the corners. And there it is. I'm going to take off my fender clips and transfer them over to our new fender liner. Just pry them off and pull them off. I'm going to install my fender clips, locate the top side of the fender liner, and just slide them over. Do this for the other side. Make sure they're fully seated. We're also going to transfer over our original J-hooks, so just pry them up and slide them off. Now just slide them all over. Now let's take it over to the vehicle. Now we're going to put our fender liner in place. Slide your clips over and push them in. Now I'm going to install my push pin clips on the back side first. Now for our 3 Phillips head screws and our trim piece, just snug these down. Now for our top push pin clips. Now for our 2 push pin clips along the front. Now for the 2 push pin clips connecting the engine splash shield. Now for our Phillips head screws connecting our bottom splash shield to the fender liner. Now for our push pin clip connecting this mud guard to the fender liner. Now let's reinstall our 5 Phillips head screws along the bottom of the fender liner. Now for our last one along the inner portion. Now for our push pin clip on the bottom corner of our fender liner. Now for our last 2 push pin clips along the back side of the fender liner. And one holding our mud guard down. Now let's install our wheel. I'm going to install my 5 21mm lug nuts. Now we're going to torque these lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.